means the tourist places. So Fort William and Victoria Memorial are some of the monuments of tourist interest in West Bengal. These two are the most important tourist places in West Bengal. Now, the Howrah Bridge, Dakshineshwar Temple Complex, Belur Mutt, and Santiniketan are the other important places in West Bengal. Now, except Fort William and Victoria Memorial, there are many other like Howrah Bridge, and there is a temple, Dakshineshwar Temple, and after it, Belur Mutt. Mutt also that it is also a similar kind of religious place. Then Shanti Niketan. Shanti Niketan is Ravindranath Tagore's place. It is said. Now culture. Rice and fish are the staple food of the people here. Staple food means the basic food people eat daily. So daily mostly people eat rice and fish. They love to eat sweets. Sweets also they eat in their regular food. Then Bengali sweets like Rasgulla and Sandesh are popular all over India. These are two sweets that are mainly from West Bengal and it is eaten in all over the country. Now dresses. Generally men in West Bengal wear dhoti and kurta. Now there is no need to be explained about dhoti and kurta. It is mainly the traditional dress of most of the states and women wear saris. Here in the right side you can see there is a picture of Belur Mutt that is in West Bengal. So it is a religious point. Now let's move to the next state, that is Assam. Assam is the largest state in the northeast. Like in northeast direction there are many small states. There is said that there are 7 sisters. The states are Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh. These 7 are said to be 7 sisters. Among these 7 states, Assam is the largest one. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Now occupation. River Brahmaputra enters India from Arunachal Pradesh. This we have studied already, that River Brahmaputra enters India in Arunachal Pradesh and flow through Assam, making it fertile. It enters into Arunachal Pradesh, but in Arunachal Pradesh it flows in very less area and mainly it flow in Assam and make the whole state very fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the state and their main occupation is agriculture. People grow rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane and potato. These are the main crops grown in Assam. Assam is also known as the land of tea gardens. Assam's other name is land of tea gardens. It is known as tea gardens because India's here you can see, as there are over 850 tea plantations accounting for about 50% of India's tea production. इंडिया में टोटल जितना टी प्रोड्यूस होता है ना उसका 50% ओनली आसाम, एक छोटे से आसाम स्टेट में प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द लैंड ऑफ टी गार्डन्स. और इसमें अबाउट 850 टी प्लांटेशंस मीन्स 850 टी के गार्डन्स है जहाँ पे टी प्रोड्यूस होती है, वो फील्ड्स है जहाँ पे टी प्रोड्यूस होती है, उस फील्ड को प्लांटेशन बोलते हैं. सो इट इज़ अबाउट 50% ऑफ इंडिया. There are many industries in Assam like oil refineries at Digboy. Now the pink letters are the name of the city. So वहाँ पे oil refineries है जहाँ पे oil को pure करते हैं at Digboy. Digboy is the name of a city. Then petrochemical and fertilizer at Namru. Petrochemical and fertilizer means जहाँ पे soil को या फिर crops को और अच्छे से grow करने के लिए जो भी उनमें add करते हैं फर्टिलाइज़र, वो सब की वहाँ पे फैक्ट्रीज़ है नामरूप में. फर्टिलाइज़र जो है वो आर्टिफिशियल भी हो सकते हैं, लाइक फैक्ट्रीज और में ग्रो किए हुए भी हो सकते हैं, और मोस्टली हम लोगों के यहाँ पे एज ए फर्टिलाइज़र काऊ डंग्स और ये सब यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज काऊ डंग ऑल्सो मेक द सॉइल वेरी फर्टाइल. देन केमिकल फैक्ट्रीज एट गुवाहाटी. गुवाहाटी इज़ ऑल्सो अ सिटी, मेन सिटी ऑफ आसाम एंड देर आर मैनी केमिकल फैक्ट्रीज. And some other industries include sugar mills, jute mills and silk processing factories. Mills means the factories only. So there are many sugar factories, jute factories and silk processing factories जहाँ पे sugar produce होता है, jute produce होता है and silk produce होता है. Now we have finished this one page, and this one page is enough for today's class, because as we read more about different states, it will be confusing for you to understand about different state. You will mash all the things. So let's finish our today's class here and come to the 5 questions as usual, the homework. So here are your 5 questions, and these are about West Bengal and Assam. First question: which state of India is known as the land of tea gardens? You have to tell the state of India which is known as the land of tea gardens. Second question: what is the staple food of people in West Bengal? What is the staple food, means regular food of people in West Bengal? Third question: name the largest northeastern state. You have to name the largest northeastern state, not from India, only from the northeastern state. Next question: which river flows in Assam? So which river, which is the river mainly flow in Assam? And last question: name any 2 famous sweets of West Bengal. 2 famous sweets of West Bengal. So these are 5 questions. Answer it in your rough notebook or in oral only. And in the next class, we will finish this 5th chapter and prepare 4th chapter also for CT. In the next class, I will give you information about CT also, that when it will be happening. So here I would like to finish my class. Thank you.